Here's how you use your Alpine system. So here we're going to go into Firefly up to the Alpine. We're going to go ahead and tap it once and it should turn on right away. Once your Alpine turns on here at the bottom, give it a little second to load. Once it loads up, it usually comes straight into Bluetooth, which here at the bottom, exchange device, you're going to pair up new device, delete, or just switch. We're going to go here to your main menu, will be the 6 dots or up here. We can ignore the rear and front camera, but you're going to have here your radio info as FM if you need it. USB connection. And again, if you need to change anything, any type of settings, like time, date, and stuff like that, you're definitely going to come here in the general and get all of those taken care of right here.